Hi, my name is Avnish Gurd and this is my honest reflection video for my self-design experience as the member of the RevolutionUC Hackathon sponsorship team. Over the course of 7 weeks, from February 9th to March 29th, 2026, I completed 76 hours on the organizational side of Cincinnati's largest student-led hackathon. Having competed in 8 different hackathons before this, I was always just a user who enjoyed the free food, the prizes, and the coding environment. I never actually understood how the backend worked. This experience completely pulled back that curtain, teaching me how a student-led team manages a professional budget and interacts with major corporations. Now, overview and goal progress. My weekly routine was intense. I spent 3 hours a week on lead generation, 2 hours drafting professional cold emails and follow-ups, and 1 hour every Friday to sync up with my team to track our pipeline. This clip shows that I am sending the sponsorship deck to 2 companies that moment. Next clip would show the second week Friday team meeting I was having in the evening. Looking back at the goals I set in my proposal, here is how I progressed. Lead generation. My goal was to find and contact over 35 tech companies and startups through cold emails. I successfully hit this target, logging every single lead in our central tracking sheet. Securing a partner and pitching. For my goals, I wanted to take a sponsor all the way from cold email to a final handshake. I practiced giving a quick 2-minute pitch to recruiters using my own experience as a hacker. Getting ghosted or rejected a lot was a big lesson in not giving up, and it forced me to change my strategy. I stopped just asking for money and started talking about what companies actually want, like getting their name out there and meeting great CS students. Then reliability. I committed to following up with every single lead within 24 hours. This strict scheduling built in immense trust with recruiters and showed my team that I was completely reliable. The day before the main event, I went to our venue, the 1819 Animation Hub, for preparations. There, I met my team and together we worked to ensure that every hacker would have a beautiful experience for the next 24-hour hackathon. We also got a little late at night, but surely our excitement kept us working that late. I got a very different feeling setting the backstage and seeing the RevuC leads practicing for tomorrow's opening ceremony. This brings us to the main event, and you can see the results of that outreach right here. Seeing the corporate sponsor tables set up on the floor was the exact moment our weeks of cold emailing turned into real world value. Managing the event logistics was a massive test of my reliability goal. Instead of just worrying about my own code in a hackathon, I spent 30 hours on the move, coordinating with my teammates, troubleshooting sponsor needs in real time, and keeping the event running smoothly. Seeing hackers leverage the exact API keys and resources we negotiated with companies made the entire process incredibly rewarding. This experience completely shifted my definition of global citizen scholar. As a computer science major, it's easy to think every problem is solved by clean code. This role forced me into the business and community side of the tech. A global citizen scholar isn't just an isolated technical expert. They are leaders who understand the organizational and financial frameworks required to bring communities together.